and to, and either, and but. Unit 1, Lesson F. Watch and listen. Use and to, and either, and but to show agreement or difference.
Victor likes pizza, and Pilar likes pizza too. Victor likes pizza, and Pilar does too.
Yumi doesn't wear glasses, and Pilar doesn't wear glasses either. Yumi doesn't wear glasses, and Pilar doesn't either.
Victor has a car, but Jack doesn't have a car. Victor has a car, but Jack doesn't.
Check your understanding. Look at the pictures. Complete the sentence.
Victor likes pizza, and Pilar does too.
Yumi doesn't wear glasses, and Pilar doesn't either.
Victor has a car, but Jack doesn't.
Let's review.
David likes sports, and Kyle likes sports too.
Or,
David likes sports, and Kyle does too.
David doesn't wear glasses, and Kyle doesn't wear glasses either.
or,
David doesn't wear glasses, and Kyle doesn't either.
Elsa wears glasses, but David doesn't wear glasses.
or.
Elsa wears glasses, but David doesn't.